We need Arizonans to step up and get the vaccine if we want to stop the spread of this virus. It's our best shot at returning to normalcy. We have to keep our guard up. We have to remain vigilant at this time. So please, limit the size of the gatherings. Celebrate outdoors in any instance which you can. And I'd add, please connect virtually.
Right to it on the news at 4. Governor Doug Ducey just wrapping up his latest coronavirus briefing on the new vaccine here in Arizona.
So you heard him say there, while relief is here, we do have to stay vigilant, wear masks, and practice social distancing. Our political editor, Dennis Welch, just walked out of that briefing and joins us live. Dennis.
Yeah, and we're here at the state fairgrounds here in Phoenix, where the governor did just wrap up that press conference, and where he chose this location specifically because starting tomorrow, some healthcare workers will be able to come here and get that vaccination. Now, this will be by appointment only, and once they arrive here, they'll have to check in and verify that appointment in one of these tents that have been set up here on the grounds. Now, once those appointments are verified, they'll be able to go inside this building. You see the door is closed right now, but they'll be able to go in there and receive that actual shot. Now, during this press conference, Governor Ducey really stressed how important it is that everyone get vaccinated. Now, this has been a concern for State Health Director Dr. Cara Christ. Over the past couple of weeks, she's talked about a survey showing a significant number of healthcare workers here in Arizona are hesitant to get vaccinated. And to instill more confidence, Dr. Christ herself will receive the vaccine this afternoon. I want to show you a little bit of the governor talking about and explaining why it's important specifically for healthcare workers to get vaccinated.
I think right now I want to make sure it's our doctors and our nurses and our frontline healthcare people that are protected, so that they can protect our elderly and our most vulnerable.
It's also important to note that once somebody receives that vaccination here tomorrow, they'll be asked to go over here to the side where they'll be observed for about 15-30 minutes to see, just to make sure that nobody has any bad effects from receiving that shot here in Phoenix. Dennis Welch, Arizona's Family.
Dennis, so get the vaccine as soon as you are able, and just like Thanksgiving, he wants us to stick it out another holiday, avoiding those family get-togethers. I know he's blaming this current spike on private, larger gatherings.
Yeah, and he kept saying that today during that press conference, and we asked him where he's getting that data because they haven't shared that with us yet. Now, he did say he would be distributing that data here in the days to come, so we'll be having to watch for that. In the meantime, he was also asked numerous times about mitigation, if there was going to be any new mitigation measures taken by the state. The governor has been criticized for not taking some stronger actions out there, and the governor is very clear that no new mitigation measures will be installed anytime soon, and I'll have a little bit more on that coming up at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Back into you.
Yeah, he said it would be kind of toothless because there's no place you can do business in our economy without wearing a mask, his words. Dennis, thank you. Some other quick takeaways from today. The governor freed up another $15 million for the state health department. They are opening shot sites in every county within a week. And nursing homes will get the vaccine before the end of the month. By the way, the National Guard is now extending their response through the end of March, deploying more medics to tribal and rural areas.